Good morning, champs. How are you? How are you doing? This is Anuradha, your class teacher. Today we will study living and non-living things. What we will learn about in this chapter, living and non-living things and difference between living and non-living things. Now, first of all, tell me, what do you mean by living? What is living thing? Like us, we are living. What we are? We are living beings. We can feel, we can grow, we can move. Means we are living things. And what about non-living things? Non-living things are those like table, chair, which cannot feel, which cannot grow. They are non-living things. Okay? We see many things around us. There are many things around us. Some are living and some are non-living. A living thing is one that has life in it. Means living thing, what is living thing? That has life in it. Things which do not have life in them are called non-living things. What do you mean by it? Living things has life. Means as I told you earlier, they can move, they can feel, they can grow, they can reproduce. But non-living things do not have life. They cannot touch, they cannot feel, they cannot grow, they cannot move, they cannot reproduce. Both living things and non-living things make our environment. Both living things and non-living things make our environment. The non-living things are either made by nature or by human. Non-living things can be of two types. Means they can be made by, they are the one which are made by nature or the one which are made by human beings. There are two kinds of non-living things. Number one, natural non-living things. These are found in nature. Example, river, mountain, stone, rocks, soils. You can observe rivers. Rivers are non-living. They have water, but they cannot grow, they cannot reproduce, they cannot feel, but they are made by nature. They are natural things. Human beings are not involved in their formation. Mountains, they are also natural as well as non-living. Stones, rocks and soil, all these are made by nature but they are non-living. Yes student, हमने क्या किया बेटे? We did living and non-living things. The introduction part. Listen, living things क्या होते हैं? जैसे हम हैं human beings, हम क्या कर सकते हैं? We can grow, we can feel, we can reproduce, we can move here and there. All these are the features. ये सब किसके features हैं? Living beings के. Clear? And जो non-living things हैं वो कौन सी हैं? They are the things which do not have all these features. हम जब उनको टच करते हैं तो वो फील नहीं करते. जब हम उनको मूव करने के लिए बोलेंगे तो वो मूव नहीं करते. क्लियर? लाइक चेयर एंड टेबल, अगर हम उसको मूव करेंगे, अगर हम बोलेंगे मूव, देन इफ दे कैन मूव बाय देमसेल्फ, नो, मीन्स दे आर नॉन लिविंग. Two kinds of non-living thing. Two kinds of non-living things means first of all natural, जो नेचर ने खुद क्या की हैं? फॉर्म की हैं. लाइक रिवर्स, माउंटेन्स, स्टोन्स, रॉक्स एंड सॉइल. These are the picture. This is river. Okay, this is mountain and these are rocks. All these are natural non-living things. Is it clear? Okay beta. There is a fact that in nature there are many non-living things. In nature there are many non-living things which are made from things that were once alive. नेचर में बहुत सारी ऐसी नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स हैं जो पहले कभी क्या होती थी, लिविंग होती थी, अलाइव थी, लाइक पेट्रोलियम एंड coral reef. What do you mean by petroleum? That petroleum which is in our which we use to form diesel and petrol, which is used to run our vehicles, that is petroleum. And coral reef, these are made from living things, and now these are non-living. Okay, so what we defined living things and non-living things. Now we are doing natural non-living things. We have done it. Now what we will do, man-made living things. Okay. Yes, beta. Man-made living things. What are man-made living things? Like our house, we made it. Okay. Roads, these are also made by human beings. Buses, cars, all the vehicles like a cycle, like the pen I am having, all these are non-living and made by human beings. Man-made non-living things. These are made by human beings. Example, rod, clock, buildings, buses, any type of utensils in which we eat food. Okay, glass, like glass, plate, all these are non-living, but made by us, means made by human beings. Plants, animals and humans are living things. Plants, animals and humans are living things. Like plants, see, we cannot see the movement in plant. हम देख नहीं सकते हैं ना कि plants move कर रहे हैं, but they move. How they move? And you will ask, how they move? They will move with the help of their growth. They grow in girth, they grow in length. Like this, they move. They show some movements. They are very slow movement, but they cannot move from one place to another. On the same place, they show growth movements. Living things differ from non-living things in many ways. जो living things हैं, they differ from non-living things in many ways. You can tell. Is it so? You can tell me. Like we have discussed, living things can move. First of all, living things can move on their own in search of food and shelter. Like us, we can move in search of food and shelter. What is shelter? The place where we live, that is shelter. What is food? The thing that we eat, that is food. So living things can move. They, however, show different types of movements. They can show different type of movements. Cows, dogs, cats, etc. walk. Means जो cows हैं, goat है, and human beings हैं, they can walk because they have legs. But fishes, they are also animals, and fishes swim. They swim in water. They do not have feet. Okay, they swim in water. Birds and some insects, they fly because they have wings to fly. So different animals have different types of movements. There's a fact, vehicles are non-living things. What are vehicles? Like cars, buses, okay, cycle, all these are non-living things. Although they can move, means but like bus, it can move, car, it can move, cycle, it can move, but not by itself. They can move from one place to another. They cannot do it on their own. वो अपने आप से तो मूव नहीं करते. जब हम साइकिल में पैडलिंग करते हैं, then it start moving. When we start the engine, means when we put the key inside, then bus or truck or car, they all move. they are fitted with motors or engines which make them move, because all the vehicles, they have fitted engines which make them move. Cycle, we move by ourselves, by pedaling it. So this is the fact. Means vehicles can also move but not by themselves. Okay. Okay, champs. Then we will start next topic tomorrow. Bye bye.